Hello, thank you for checking out A1 Math, and today we're looking at using a general form to construct rules for arithmetic sequences. So let's begin. So with general form, basically it's the same thing we did with the table, but here they just give you the sequence with a list of numbers. But nothing else changes, everything's the same. You need to find your two things that you need. You need first your first term, and in this case it's 6. And you need a common difference. So I'm going to do the next one minus the previous. So I'm going to do the common difference should be equal to 16 minus 6, which is 10. And then just to double check to make sure they all have the same common difference, 26 minus 16. 26 minus 16 is also 10. So my common difference is 10. Alright, now that I have the common difference, I'm just going to go ahead and write the rule. So first I'm going to do the recursive. And I'm going to plug in, I'm going to give the f of 1. So the f of 1 is equal to the first term, which is 6, with a comma. And given that f of 1 is equal to 6, I'm going to write the rest. F of n minus 1 plus the common difference. In this case, it's 10. So plus 10 for all numbers where n is greater than or equal to 2. Now I'm going to do the explicit rule. Okay, starting off with f of n. And that's going to be equal to my first term, f of 1, 6, plus the common difference, which is 10, times n minus 1. And that's the explicit rule. Okay, and that's it. That's using general form to construct rules for arithmetic sequence. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do another example. Okay, so everything's exactly the same here. We're going to first find the first term. And the first term is 95. And then I'm going to find the common difference. You can just about see it here, but I'm going to go ahead and write it out. So I got D, it's going to be equal to 90 minus 95. And that's going to be equal to negative 5. Just to double check, we'll do 85 minus 90, and that's equal to negative 5. And this should be the same both times. If you don't have this the same, then it's not a common difference, which means it's not an arithmetic sequence. So always make sure these are exactly the same. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and write out the recursive rule. And that's going to be the given f of 1 is equal to my first term, 95. All right, and put a comma here, and then put f of n minus 1 plus my difference, which is -5. So I'm going to put minus here. For all numbers where n is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so that's the recursive rule. Now I'm going to do the explicit. And that's going to be f of n is equal to f of 1, which is my first term, minus 5 times n minus 1. Okay, and that is finding the recursive rule and the explicit rule using just a regular sequence. I want to thank you for checking out A1 Math. Have a nice day.